Kegiatan ini menjadi momen penting yang sejalan dengan arah pembangunan nasional yang tertuang dalam RPJMN 2025-2029 dan juga RPJPN 2025-2045. Dengan masuknya Indonesia menjadi salah satu dari 6 negara pelopor Global Accelerator di Asia Pasifik, hal ini menunjukkan komitmen secara global untuk bekerja sama dengan negara-negara di kawasan Asia Pasifik dalam mewujudkan komitmen global SDGs. Program ini juga menjadi kerangka kerja strategis yang mampu menjadi motor penggerak dalam pencapaian sasaran pembangunan nasional dalam RPJMN, RPJPN, serta SDGs.
It's very in line with our personal and national experience in the field of social protection and welfare, and how we are able to pass from a situation when not everybody has resources, and now everybody is living in a welfare society. I hope everything will be able to speed things up here as well, and that the government and the institutions and the public at large, of course, will find it the best suitable tool for them to build a new SDG enhancing and prosperity society.
This is a great opportunity as it brings the government under the leadership of the Vice Minister Bappenas together with the UN and the World Bank together. It was also great to have development partners, specifically Spain, Germany and Belgium, who are contributors to the joint SDG fund with a focus on social protection and jobs. The joint program is going to enable Indonesia to accelerate its transition and contribute to taking it to the next level of economic resilience and prosperity. Closing the disability gap, expanding social protection to the informal sector, and skills training is what we hope to achieve through this joint program.